So this video is dedicated to all of the Afrocentric people, paleoconservatives, oath keepers, constitutionalists, Moors, black Hebrew Israelites, all these type of people who are trying to start these sociocultural movements. There's something that you need to know. So the thing is, ethnonationalism and expansionism are non-empirical sociopolitical concepts that, when examined from an evolutionary perspective, cannot be maintained due to various biological and geological factors. Panmixia, which is the random mating within a population, promotes genetic diversity and prevents the fixation of specific genetic traits that would be necessary for ethno-nationalist ideologies. Homozygosity, on the other hand, refers to the occurrence of identical alleles within an individual, which can lead to reduced genetic diversity, Usher syndrome, Tay-Sachs disease, and other genetic diseases. However, scientists have demonstrated that natural selection acts against homozygosity and favoring heterozygosity, and thereby preserving genetic diversity and eliminating people who don't have it. These findings contradict the notions of ethno-nationalism that emphasize homogeneity within specific ethnic groups or cultural groups. Allopatric speciation occurs when populations become geographically isolated, leading to genetic differentiation and the emergence of new species. Such processes would destroy any expansionist desires by highlighting the dynamic nature of populations and the constant formation of new genetic boundaries. Furthermore, the cyclical nature of the supercontinents results in the continuous rearrangement of land masses over geological timescales. This renders territorial claims based on fixed geographic boundaries ineffective and unusable, undermining the foundations of expansionism. If we are not to fade into eternal oblivion, we must focus on more complex scientific phenomena such as asteroid impacts, supercontinent cycles, gamma ray bursts, and the fate of the universe. It would be more effective to employ an evolutionary optimization algorithm rooted in empiricism. This approach involves systematically selecting, terminating, reproducing, recombining, and mutating various observations, measurements, experiments, tests, and hypotheses to iteratively refine our understanding of certain physical, chemical, biological, and astronomical phenomena. By incorporating empirical data and the principles of evolutionary optimization, we can continuously improve our models and predictions. If we cannot do this, then we should think about what we remember before we were born to understand non-existence and extinction. So before I go on any further, just pause for a minute. What do you remember before you were born?